Hello everyone, it's June 18th, 1:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Nathan from Queens, Ultimate Trader on Reddit. So this video today is about meme stocks and mainly what do I do with the meme stock and what happens if I get stuck with the meme stock. Can I identify this as a meme stock? Okay, so basically what happens is the last week or two, I've been discussing with my elite trading group. We have about 50 of us. That the best way to do these momentum stocks, these meme stocks, is by doing the level twos accompanied with charts at the same time. So you see them together and you try to see the waves on the upticks and downticks to buy, to sell. So what happens is to identify a meme stock, what you would normally do, like if you're not looking at CNBC, you might have a list of a lot of stocks. So the popular meme stocks are AMC, GameStop, now Clove. This past week it was Corsair, CRSR. It was ORTH. It was GO. So they're actually rotating. It was before a few months back. It was Rocket, RKT, UWMC. But what happens is you can't measure when the army is going to go together and moon your meme stock or not. So the best way to identify it, if you have all these tickers on lists, or if you wake up like at 6 or 7 in the morning, you want to take a look at the most volume, anything unusual. Like I tell people, you want to have different watch lists that show you all the different different tickers, stuff that's up the most percentage wise. But in this case, with the meme stocks, we're looking at volume. We want to identify them by volume. Okay, now I'm not against jumping into a meme stock, but I don't recommend you holding it overnight because there's no guarantee. For instance, last Thursday, ORTH, which has a normal volume of 30,000, and this is not a typo, went from $5 to about $80. And what happened? It closed at 20 last Thursday, and it opened up the next day maybe like at 15 and closed at 10. So still above the 5, but if you didn't sell at 40, 50, 60, 80, you were done with. Now me, I actually saw this, another elite trader was saying, hey, look at the stock. So I was already looking a little bit at the volume, but I was like, what is going on? When he let me know, this stock was flying. So I'm working there, I'm watching the stock, and I'm about to enter order at 47. Now, meanwhile, this stock was $5, and I'm at 47, and I'm thinking I'm going to jump in. I'm looking on this on my phones, mind you. I was going to jump at 47 and get out for $1, just $1, because like I said, it's hard to measure momentum. I want to get in and out quickly on a wave. So meanwhile, I'm trying to enter the order at 47. I'm doing customer service at work. What happens is $51 3 minutes later. At that point, I'm still about to enter an order, and every time I enter an order, the stock has already changed price. So with that, I decided myself not to go. So to identify a meme stock, you want to check on volume. Now, what happens if you got in a meme stock that does have value? So this week, they were pushing Corsair. The good thing about Corsair, CRSR, or the good thing about UWMC, or the good thing about Rocket, these people on Reddit, on Wall Street Bets, like to focus on stocks that are heavily shorted. So they don't care whether or not the company makes sense or not. They just like to bomb in to try to force the short squeeze. So they like to pick anything over 20 or 30% short. What a lot of them don't realize is that AMC keeps selling new shares, so the percentage short drops, and GameStop just sold 5 million shares. I say that because they're probably a little bit less than 20%. But the fact that they keep buying just keeps making it go up, whether or not there's a short. Whether or not there's a short. So they like to attack these stocks. If they attack something like Corsair, there's value, so you don't have to worry too much. If you get stuck. Hopefully you don't get stuck high. But let's say that you bought Clove, because Clove went up to almost 29. I think now it's 12 or 13. Now it's 12 or 13. The only thing that you could do, and I'm sorry to say this, is to contact the mods at Wall Street Bets and see if they allow you to put more and more posts on Wall Street Bets, because your best bet is going with the army to get more and more posts and get more and more people together, social media, to try to pump Clove up. Because when Clove went to $28, $29, the volume was 750 million. The volume is under $100 million. That means interest went out and the stock is going down. Now with AMC and GameStop, I guess they're originals, and they're constantly talked about on the forums, so those stocks can stay high. I don't know when. If they drop, they drop. I mean, it's up to the army. But in the case of something like Clove, your best bet is trying to get more people to post new posts. So if they had an author that you read back a couple of weeks that wrote something at Clove, ask them to post again. Contact the Wall Street Bets mods and try to see if they allow you to post new posts. Now, when stuff like the Clove, BlackBerry, Nokia, because they were also favorites at one time in the meme stocks, and I'm a big BlackBerry fan. All right, I have 2 BlackBerries here. The newer Key 2, which is their newest one, which is about 3 years old already. About 3 years old, and one from 8 years ago. BlackBerry Passport, 8 years. The reason why I say this is because I'm a big fan of BlackBerry. Okay, but BlackBerry at 20, come on. BlackBerry at 9, the report was bad. Now, in the case of Clove or the case of BlackBerry, the reason why these stocks are not worth 20, they both went over 20, is earnings per share. The reason why you buy a stock is because you hope that you can make money off the stock. Your hope is one day the company is going to make money, and maybe it's going to give you money via dividend. If it's not going to make money and give you money, your only bet to make money is to sell it to another speculator. I say that because these two companies do not make money. They're basically like break even. Clove is losing money. BlackBerry is basically break even. The reason I say that is because they're speculative. They don't make money yet. The way that I determine a stock price is by seeing how much money they make. If they don't make money, I might trade it, but I mean, you can't really value a company that doesn't make money. And with something like Clove, when it was like $30, close to $30, I think it was what, like $10-12 billion company? If you're a $10-12 billion company, and you don't even have sales of 200 million, not profits, sales of 200 million, how are you going to be profitable? So this video was about how to identify a meme stock and what to do if you're stuck in a meme stock. All right, good luck. Have a great night. Bye-bye.